My new Alrska 180 watt monoflexible solar panel just came in. I'm really excited to start generating some electricity with this thing, so let's go set it up.
So there you go. There it is. You can see we've got all the stats, the specifications here listed on the back. That's got a maximum power of 180 watts. It's got a maximum power current of 8.61 amps. Maximum power voltage of 20.9 volts. We have an open circuit voltage of 24.7 volts. Short circuit current is going to be 9.13 amp. The dimensions of this are 1260 millimeters by 710 millimeters by 2 millimeters. Working temperature of negative 20 degrees Celsius to positive 65 degrees Celsius. And the standard test conditions are listed down here as well. But this thing feels great. It's a nice big unit, so it should be able to generate a decent amount of power. So this cable is something I bought separately, but I'm going to use this to hook it up to my battery pack, and I'll just show you guys how I'm going to do that quick. So this is going to be your positive end here, and this will be your negative. Here is my cable. This has a 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter DC adapter here, and I'm going to use that to plug into this battery pack or power station, whatever you want to call it. So if I just plug that in here and plug the rest of this into the solar panel, I'm actually going to be able to generate power. So we'll hook up the positive end first. Just like that. And there's my negative end. And from there, I can plug this into my input on my power station here. You can see it's actually blinking. So now that that's all hooked up, let's put this in some sun and see what kind of power we can generate with it. Alright, so I've got my solar panel set up in the sunlight of this window here. I've got my cord all rigged up over here. So let's go ahead and plug it into our input on our power station here and see how it does. Alright, so I've got the green light on there, and you can see that means this is charging right now. So it's probably not charging much. It's a bit of an overcast day. It's the winter, and we're charging through a window, but as you can see, it is generating power, so that's very cool. Alright, let's go ahead and mount this on my car. Now my plan is going to be to mount this on my car and leave it up there only when I'm not driving. So I'm just going to use Velcro, and I will mount those in these four corners, and then I will do the same with my car, and that should be perfect. I'll go ahead and peel these off, and then I will be ready to mount this on the roof of my car. Alright, now with those adhesive backings removed, I should just be able to place this carefully right on the roof here. And now that I have a good placement, I can just press down in the four corners. Press a little harder on that one. And because this is nice and flexible, it's fitting on the roof perfectly. If it was a flat one, it wouldn't work very well, but as you can see, it's kind of contouring to the roof here. Yeah, and that works great. So I'll have that ready to go, and then I can just run my cable off the top here to my battery pack when I'm camping out of my car.